In today's rapidly growing global economy, achieving a sustainable future means placing health, safety, and environmental performance at the core of industrial operations. Asset-intensive businesses face a complex network of mechanical integrity codes and regulations. They're essential for compliance, performance, and public trust. From recommended practices in the United States to the structured frameworks of Europe and regulatory environment of the UK, each region introduces its own requirements. The challenge? One size doesn't fit all. Let's bring this closer to the ground. With a typical oil and gas facility, sites like these are home to a wide variety of assets. Each asset type brings its own risks, and each is subject to region-specific codes, applied across its entire life cycle, from design to decommissioning. Some standards apply broadly, while others focus on specific failure modes or containment threats. Take this storage tank, for example. With large fluid volumes and the potential for deterioration at the boundary, managing its integrity means applying the right standard based on your region. This is where AsInt's adaptable risk model comes in. It provides a flexible way to manage varying regulations by applying the right model based on regional codes and specific asset types, all within a unified framework. AsInt's approach to risk modeling offers key advantages: customization. Align risk assessments with your asset types, local regulations, or internal company procedures. Scalability. Whether you're operating across sites or across continents, the model expands with your business. Real-time updates. Incorporate new legislation or improve your own model with a low to no-code interface. Transition evaluation. Apply multiple models to the same asset to compare outputs, helping you transition seamlessly when regulations shift. With AsInt's adaptable risk model, you not only meet regulatory requirements, you build trust, drive consistency, and promote a strong culture of safety and integrity. Whether you're adapting to global standards or evolving your own mature models, AsInt's adaptable risk model is designed to meet you where you are. Let's talk about how we can support your strategy. Visit asint.net to get started.